Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a particular logo animation in Adobe After Effects. Okay, let's start the video. First, create a new composition and rename it main. For preset, I choose HD3 and frame rate, I set it 30 frame rates and duration set it 50 seconds and click OK. Now import a logo into composition. Press S to scale and set it 90. Okay, that's good for me. Now pre-compose and rename it logo. Check on move all attribute and click OK. Now make sure you do not select on layer logo. Okay. Go to Elite Tool and set Elite Tool. For fill, I choose color white and stroke, choose none and click OK. And now create a new shape. Okay, for example, go to here and search for align. If you don't see align here, go to Window and check for align. Okay, now align it to the center and then go to layer, search for transform and center anchor point. Okay, that's good. Now set timeline to the beginning and press S to scale. For the beginning, I set it 0. Okay, and check on stopwatch and then go to around 10 seconds. Okay, that's good. And scale. Okay, now we scale animation of shape. Okay, that's good. And then go to effect and preset and search for turbulent. Okay, turbulent displays. Now set amount 60 and size set 75 and complexity I set 10. Okay, that is good. Now select on logo layer and go to track matte. If you don't see track matte, you can check here. Okay, and select on alpha matte. Okay, now select on shape and right click, pre-compose. Rename its shape. Check all attribute and click OK. Now select both logo and pre-compose. Rename it logo reverse. Check all move all attribute and click OK. Okay, now select on logo reverse. Go to edit and choose duplicate or Ctrl D to duplicate layer. Okay, now select on bottom layer and move back around 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, around here. And check on track matte. Select on alpha inverted. Okay, that's good for me. Now, I don't want this outline, so go to effect and preset. Search for max. Okay. Set on here. For operation, I set minimum. For channel, set alpha and color. And radius, set it 1. Okay, it's clean. Now, select on both layer and right click, pre-compose. Rename it emitter. Check on move all attribute and click OK. Go to project panel and import shape into composition and then select on shape layer and move forward around here. Okay, something like that to make sure clean the outline from the logo. And then select on emitter layer and select on alpha inverted. Okay, that's good. So now select both layer and pre-compose. Rename it particle. Move all attribute and check OK. Okay, now create a new solid. Rename it particular. And check OK. Go to Effect and Preset. Search for particular. Okay, but here. Okay, now we apply particular plugin into the layer. And before we set particular here, make sure the layer particle check on 3D box. Now go to particular and set it emitter master. Set it 54,000. Okay, for emitter tab, set it layer. And velocity, set it 0. In random, set it 0. Size Z, set it 50. For layer emitter, the layer, set particle. Set RGB HYZ. And then go to particle master. Go line here, okay. And it set it 0. For size, I set it 6. Size random, set it 100. And then go to shading. For main here, set it on. And here, also set it on. Now go to physics. For air. And search for turbulence. After position, set it 100. Okay, that's good. Arc system. Emit, set it continuously. And then for particle velocity, set it 11. And light random, set it 100. For opacity here, set it 100. And color fragment, set it 100. And physics here, after position 270. Now it's finished for particle. Go to Effect and Preset again. Search for CC Vector Blur. Okay, apply to particle. First tab, set it perpendicular. And amount, set it 11. Okay, and map softness, set it only around 10. Okay, that's good. Now go to Effect and Preset again. Search for sharpen. For sharpen, apply to particle layer. And amount of sharpen, I set it around 160. Okay, it will be that. Okay. Now go to Effect and Preset again. Search for glow. Apply to particle. And then glow radius, I set it around 50. You can also set any value for you want. Okay, that's good for me. It's enough. And now I go to create a new solid again. And create a new solid. Rename it for dust particle. Okay. Now go to Effect and Preset, search for particular. And apply to dust particle. And set emitter master 80,000. For emitter tab, set it layer. And the same to first. Okay, something like that. And then it here 50. Okay, and layer emitter, set it particle. and here set it here. Okay, that's good. Go to particle master. For light, set it 1.5, and sphere feature set it 0. Go to size, set it 4, and side random set it 100 again, and go to shading, set it on, and now go to physics, search for air, and select on turbulence field, set after position 500. Now it's enough. Okay, that's good for particular. Okay, now go to project panel and import logo reverse into composition. Select on logo reverse layer and move forward around 2 seconds. Okay, press 0 to preview. Okay, it works very well for me. Okay, that's good. And then now select on logo reverse. Okay, select on logo and go to around here 8 seconds, and go to effect and preset, search for CC light. Okay, CC light sweep. Apply on logo and set direction 30. Okay, now select on stopwatch and go to 10 seconds and apply here. Okay, that's good. Go to main compose again. Okay, now select all layer. Before you select all layer, please unlock this layer. Now select all layer and recompose. Rename it final. Okay, move all attribute. Now press S to scale and check on stopwatch here and go around here and set scale 80. Okay, select both keyframe and press F9. Go to graph editor. Before you set up on graph editor, please check on here and make sure you check on edit speed graph. Now edit speed graph, set here. Okay, and close. Press 0 to preview real time. Okay, that's worked very well. It is done for the tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.